Welcome to the Structure Studios online video series. This video will explain retaining walls. Retaining walls are created in the hardscape stage. Hardscapes remain level and hold back the terrain. Our project has a 7-foot slope at the back of the property. We'll add 3 retaining walls to create 2 tiers. Activate the Line tool. Click on the grid to start the line. Move your mouse to the right 76 feet and left-click to set the line. Activate the Outline tool. Click the orange endpoint to set the offset. Move your cursor up 1 foot and click to create the wall. In the panel, set the height of the first wall to 2 feet. Right-click the shape and press View in 3D. The first wall looks great and is holding back the terrain. We'll head back to 2D to add our next wall. The next wall is 6 feet from the first. Activate the Measure tool. Measure 6 feet from the top left corner of the first wall. Now activate the Rectangle tool. Left-click to start the wall from this point. Move your mouse up 1 foot, then to the right 76 feet and click to complete the shape. In the panel, set the height to 4 feet. We'll do these steps again to create the third wall. Measure up 6 feet with the Measure tool and use the Rectangle tool to draw the 76-foot wall. In the panel, set the height of this wall to 7 feet. Press the 2D 3D button at the top of the screen to see our retaining walls. Our walls are in place, but the middle wall cuts into the terrain. Not a problem. We'll head back to 2D to add 2 more hardscapes to create level tiers. Activate the Rectangle tool. Left-click to start the shape at the first 6-foot measure guide. Move the mouse up 6 feet and over 76 feet to create a new shape between the 2 retaining walls. In the panel, set the height to 2 feet to match the front retaining wall. We'll do these steps again to create the next tier between the middle and back retaining walls. In the panel, set the height to 4 feet to match the middle retaining wall. Then head to the Materials stage to apply grass, mulch, or rock from the library to the tiers. To smooth the ground in front of the retaining wall, head to Stage 4 Terrain. Activate the Elevation tool. Uncheck Auto Height and set the height to 0 feet. Hold down Control and the left mouse button to flatten the terrain. Because we created the tier behind the wall with a hardscape, the tier remains level and is unaffected by the terrain brush. Great! The ground and retaining walls are set. Now we'll head back to the hardscape stage in 2D to learn a quick way to add stepped retaining walls with the Staircase tool. Press the Create Staircase button. Attach the staircase to the top left corner and click to place it. Click the right purple endpoint to set the width to 1 foot. In the panel, set the depth to 4 feet 4 inches, height to 1 foot, and step count to 3. In 3D, we see our steps. In the panel, press the Convert to Hardscapes button. Once converted, the steps extend all the way to the terrain. We can also use the Staircase tool to create steps leading to the top. Head back to 2D to add the staircase. First, we need to extend the top retaining wall to attach the steps. Hold down the left mouse button on the center point to extend the wall 5 feet to the right. Now press Create Staircase. Attach the staircase to the wall and click to place it. In the panel, set the depth to 1 foot 6 inches, the height to 9 inches, and step count to 9. Now click the midpoint of the last step and move your mouse down to set the width to 2 feet. Let's head to 3D to see our staircase. The terrain is on top of the steps. Not a problem. Press Convert to Hardscapes. Once converted, the steps will flatten the terrain. Great! Back in 2D, use the Staircase tool to create the 1-foot walls on this side. Press the Create Staircase button. Attach the staircase to the top right corner and click to place it. Click the purple endpoint to set the width to 1 foot. In the panel, set the depth to 4 feet 8 inches, height to 1 foot, and step count to 3. Then press Convert to Hardscapes. Head back to 3D to see our walls. Once the staircase is converted, customize the height of individual walls in the panel. Later, in the Plants and Trees stage, finish the look with landscaping. This completes instruction on retaining walls. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit structurestudios.com/help.